I'm Kim.
Hi, I'm Scotty.
We want to show you some really cool dresses that we got in. These are like formal, nice dresses, really classy from the front, and then you turn them around. Bam, a cute open bag. Sorry. You do it, you do it.
Calling all party animals.
We truly have every print for your wild, wild nights.
Kim, do you hear that?
I hear some wedding bells ringing. We have this Reformation dress right here for $46. This is a really great style, great satin dress. And this one's a cute little mango, little linen-y butter yellow piece. You have a wedding coming up this summer. Come to Buffalo Exchange so you don't break the bank on those wedding guest looks. This even could be like
You could get married in that.
Yeah.